Are you tired of feeling like you're missing out on one of the most in-demand skills in tech? Maybe you've heard the phrase reactjs tossed around in job listings or by that one friend who's suddenly earning six figures. But it feels overwhelming to start well. What if I told you that, in just 3 minutes, you can unlock the fundamentals of React and take your first step toward mastering it? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of React's core concepts. No fluff, no confusion. Let's go. It's 2025. reactjs is still dominating the front-end development world, and companies are offering top-tier salaries for people who know how to build fast, modern web apps. But here's the catch. Many developers still shy away because it sounds complicated. Spoiler alert. It's not. In fact, React makes building web apps easier, not harder. And I'm about to show you how. Okay, time to roll up our sleeves to learn React. You need to understand 3 key concepts: components, state, and props. Stick with me here, because this is where the magic happens. Think of components as Lego blocks. Just like you build a spaceship from smaller pieces, React apps are built using components. Each block or component is self-contained and reusable. For example, a button. The button is a reusable component like a Lego block. You can use it multiple times in your app by just changing the label prop in the app component. We use the button component twice, but with different labels. Here's where it gets exciting. Components, like your app's memory. It keeps track of what's happening at any given time. Imagine a shopping cart on an e-commerce site. The items you add, that's the state. Without React makes managing state easy. With hooks like useState, the useState hook creates a piece of state called count, initialized to 0. The setCount function updates the count value whenever the button is clicked. Clicking increment updates the state and renders the component with the new value of count. But wait, how do components talk to each other? That's where props come in. Props are like the mail system for your app. They allow you to pass data from one component to another. For example, the greeting component is the child component and takes a name as a prop. The app component passes data, Alice and Bob, to the greeting component via the name prop. The greeting component dynamically displays the data it receives. So now you know the holy trinity of React components, state, and props. But here's the real kicker. When you combine them, you can build anything, and I mean anything. This example combines components, state, and props to build a simple to-do app. The to-dos array stores the list of tasks. Clicking Add To updates this state. The to-item component receives a to from the parent as a prop and displays it all right. So you've got the foundation. Components, state, and props are the building block of React. But remember, this is just the beginning. React is like a superpower. It's powerful, but only if you use it. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You've built a portfolio of stunning web apps. You're getting interview requests from companies you thought were out of reach. And it all started with these 3 minutes. Okay. Maybe it also started with some caffeine-fueled late nights, but you get the idea now. It's your turn. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It tells me to make more content like this. Subscribe for more non-nonsense coding tutorials. And comment below, what's the first thing you'd build with React? Let's spark some ideas together. You got this now. Go out there and start building. I'll see you in the next video.